Subject: Design of machine element. Practical number 1. Design procedure of machine element. Introduction. Design is essentially decision making process. If we have a problem, we need to design a solution. In other words, to design is formulate a plan to satisfy a particular need and to create something with physical reality. Consider for an example design of a chair. A number of factors needs to be considered first. The purpose of which the chair is to be designed, such as whether it is to be used as an easy chair, as an office chair, or to accompany a dining table. Whether the chair is to be designed for a grown-up person or a child. Material for the chair is strength and cost need to be determined. Finally, the aesthetic of the design chair. Types of design. There may be several types of design such as adaptive design. This is based on existing design. For example, standard products or systems adopted for a new application. Conveyor belt, control system of machines, and mechanism of haulage system are some of the examples where existing design systems are adapted for a particular use. Developmental design. Here we start with an existing design, but finally a modified design is obtained. A new model of car is a typical example of developmental design. New design. This type of design is an entirely new one, but based on existing scientific principles. No scientific invention is involved, but require creative thinking to solve a problem. Example of this type of design may be include designing a small vehicle for transportation of man and material on board a ship or in a desert. Some research activity may be necessary. Types of design based on methods. Rational design. This is based on determining the stresses and strain of component and thereby deciding their dimensions. Empirical design. This is based on empirical formula which in turn is based on experience and experimentation. For example, when we tighten a nut on a bolt, the force exerted or the stress induced cannot be determined exactly, but experience shows that the tightening force may be given by P0 to 84D, where D is the bolt diameter in mm and P is the applied force in kg. There is no mathematical backing of this equation, but it is based on observation and experience. Industrial design. These are based on industrial consideration and norms. Market survey, external look, production facilities, low cost use of existing standard products. Thank you.